Today I'm going to make cheesy potato patties. In my blog, it is Tasty Ma. Some time back, I had posted chana chop. You can find the link to the post in the description below. I'm making a similar snack item today, but this snack, this chana chop or cottage cheese patties. Chana is cottage cheese. Chana is the Bengali word for cottage cheese, and the difference here is I will be adding processed cheese to this patties. So let's start. I have here boiled and mashed potatoes. To that I will add salt. Salt is of course to taste. Bit of Kashmiri red chili powder. If you like your chilies hot, you can use the usual red chili powder. I like Kashmiri red chili powder. Some garam masala powder. You will find the recipe of the garam masala powder in the link given in the description below. I am adding very little coriander leaves because I don't want the flavor of the leaves to clash with the paneer and the cottage cheese and the processed cheese. So just a little bit for flavor. Finally, this is moist bread, a slice of bread which I moistened, and now I'm going to mix all this together. The bread is for the binding, and I'll mix all this together. I'm almost done with the mashing. Here I would like to add that the ingredients that I've added, the quantity is all according to my taste. I suggest you do the same. You can add garam masala powder, Kashmiri chili powder as per your taste. So here I have the cottage cheese, that is the paneer. I made this paneer at home. You will find the link to how to make paneer at home. You will find a link to that in the description below. Now here I have a cheese cube. I'm going to grate this cheese like this. I'm going to grate the entire cube. Incidentally, paneer has been made from half a liter of low fat milk. I've mixed the cottage cheese and the processed cheese. I tasted it. I do not need to add any salt to it because the processed cheese already has enough salt. For added flavor, I'm going to add this black pepper powder. This of course you can add according to your taste. I'll just mix this nicely. I've made these 6 balls with the mashed potatoes. Now I'll just take a little oil. Roll it like this. Now since I have added processed cheese to this mixture, this cottage cheese mixture, I will not make a very deep hole here, because then the cheese can start melting and dripping out of the outer shell and stick to the grilling pan. So this is what I'm doing. You can see it's a very shallow depression here, cavity here, like this, and I'll put this. This here, and likewise I'll make the remaining. I will be grilling the patties. I have this griller. You can see I've lit the gas already, and now in this space I will be adding water. This water helps to keep the patties moist. It will not be dry. This is the grilling plate. I'm going to increase the flame and let it preheat for some time. I've got all the patties stuffed and ready here. I've brushed them with oil. Now I will be grilling them. You can do it on a non-stick pan non-stick grilling pan, or you can fry them, shallow fry them as you wish. I'm doing it in this. I'll be placing them like this. I've reduced the flame. Now I'll just leave it till it is ready. Then I'll flip it over. They are all ready. I've flipped over all of them. Now I'm just waiting for the other side to grill like this, and then it will be ready to serve. I want to try this out since this is the first time I'm making this. Let's see how it looks. I'll cut it open. Yes, here it is. Here's the cheese, and all the cheese has melted. And this is the paneer. It looks yum. Just add a little bit of sauce. Try it out. It's absolutely yum.
Subscribe and click the bell icon to receive updates.